Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is Prince again. So today's video I'm gonna show you how to convert your personal Instagram account to Instagram business profile. So Instagram business account have more features and settings that can help your business reach more people and stay connected with them, so you can boost your sales. With an Instagram business profile, business can promote their product and services to a global audience of people who are most interested in what they do. So you may be asking, what are the features that you can get after converting to Instagram business profile? You can get access to the analytics of your post and your followers. You can promote your Instagram post as ads. You'll be learning more different advertisement of Instagram. So you can also add links to your Instagram stories. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video, how to access all those features, and watch the video until the end. And if you are new here, please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can be notified whenever I upload the new videos about social media marketing tips. Every week there is a new video, and without wasting the time, let's begin. So right now I'm inside my Instagram account. So it is personal account and I have to convert it to business page. It's gonna be personal account. If you create it, then you can convert it to business page. So there's no features for the business now. That's how the personal account is different from business account. If you go to the settings, you see also there is some few features there. So if you convert it to business profile, we see more features for the business. So to get started, to convert it to Instagram business page, you have to click on the edit profile and scroll down. You see the option of switching to professional account. So for the next step, there's two options for the creator and the business option. So if you are influencer, a musician, producer, or an artist, you can get started with the creator option. But if you have a business, you can just get started with the business option. So for this video, we are going to get started with the business. So click on it, and Instagram will welcome you to their best tools for the business. So you have to click continue again, continue, reach your customers, get new contact options. So continue again. So for the next step, you are going to choose the category. There is many category, and you have to choose which best fit for your business. For example, like you are a car dealer, you can just type in the name of your business here, and you see some options for cars, car rental, car dealership. If you are a car dealer, you can just choose the name of your business or related to product that you sell. You see many categories that will fit for your business. Let's suppose that you run a restaurant, you have a business for the restaurant. You see the options for the restaurant. Many options. But for this video, I'm going to choose the shopping and retail. For product, shopping and retail. For if you say product on your Instagram, you can get started with the shopping and retail. I recommend this option if you need to apply for the Instagram shopping features. But if you are in the countries that are allowed to apply for the feature of Instagram shopping, so after choosing your category, you have to click on the next. So for the next step, you have to review your contact information, your email address, your phone number, also your business address. So filling in your street address will help you to be recognized on Instagram in that location. so which is going to help you get more customers in your location. So I'm not going to fill in the street address right now, yeah, because this is the Instagram for blog, and you have to click next after all. So for the next step, you have to choose the Facebook page. Yeah, you have to choose the Facebook page. Click on the Facebook page, and you have to fill in your Facebook page logins, then log in it and connect your Facebook page to Instagram account. I'm not going to connect it right now. I just have to do it later, and if you don't know how to create the Facebook page, I will leave the link in the description of how to do it. So for this video, I'm going to not connect the Facebook page right now. I can connect it later. So I just have to click on don't connect to Facebook page now, and now we are done. So we have the features for the Instagram business page. Now we can do some more promotions. You see, we have the option to do promotions. Yeah, let's see, we have also the features for the insight. Every post you post, you see the insight of how you see the analytics of how your audience engaged with your post. Yeah, you click on the view insight and you see the interactions, likes, comments, yeah, more subs, the people who follows you and follows you. Yeah, if that post has bring you some more followers, you see that also. Yeah, many features for your business. Yeah, also for the insight, yeah, you see the analytics of the stories, yeah, posts that you made. Yeah, many options, the activities, yeah, how your Instagram is reaching more people. You see that also for the audience. So now that they are telling me that you can learn more about who's following you when you have at least 100 followers. So this Instagram account has about 50 followers. So to see the audience insight, I will have to get at least 100 followers so that they can give me the analytics. Yeah. So that's it for the video, guys. This is how you can create your Instagram account to business profile. And if you have any other question, let me know that in the comment. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how to add shopping features on your Instagram, so people can buy through your Instagram account. The shopping features that you apply on Instagram, and they give you the option to tag product. That's what I'm going to show you in the next video. So that's it for this, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. More are coming, please, and let's meet in the next video.